In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a PDF in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll be able to mark up any PDF quickly and clearly using the tools built right into your browser. Start by opening your File Explorer and navigating to the folder where your PDF is stored. Take a second to confirm you've got the correct file, especially if you keep multiple versions. Having the exact document ready will save time once you start marking it up. Next, open the file in Microsoft Edge. To do this, right-click the PDF, choose Open With, and then select Microsoft Edge. If you don't immediately see Edge in the list, look for the option to choose another app and pick Edge there. This method ensures the file opens in Edge's built-in PDF viewer, which includes the highlighting features you need. Once the PDF is open, find the text you want to emphasize. Click at the start of the passage and drag your mouse over the words until the entire section is selected. If you need precision, use the zoom controls in the viewer so you can select exactly what you want. Keep in mind that highlighting works on selectable text. If dragging doesn't select individual words and the text behaves like a picture, the PDF might be a scanned image or protected content, and highlighting won't be available for those parts. With your text selected, right-click on the selection to open the context menu. Make sure your selection stays highlighted as you right-click. If it disappears, click and drag to select it again and try once more. The menu should appear right where your cursor is, making the next choice straightforward. Now, hover over Highlight in the menu and choose the color you prefer. You'll typically see options like yellow, green, light blue, pink, or red. Pick a color that matches how you want to organize your notes. For example, yellow for general emphasis, green for action items, blue for references, pink for definitions, and red for critical warnings. The color you select is applied immediately, so you can see your highlight as soon as you click it. For longer documents, consider using a consistent color scheme so your highlights are easy to scan later. If you don't see the highlight option or it's grayed out, it usually means the text isn't selectable or the document has restrictions. In that case, try another section of text to confirm the tool is working. That's it. You've opened your PDF in Microsoft Edge, selected the exact text you want, and applied a clear, color-coded highlight to make your document easier to study, review, and share.